It's Anthony Renwitzky again. I'm at my newest listing, and today I'm going to talk about the importance of home staging. It's 2019 going on 2020. 100% of the buyers are looking at your house online before stepping foot into the door. It's so important to get your house professionally staged. Buyers, it's a proud moment for them. So most likely they're sending a link to their family, to their friends. Staging makes a huge difference. Small things come into place. And I hire professional stagers every time I list a house. The reason why it brings so much value to the home and so much exposure to your home online. It's a huge difference from beginning to now of the photos and video I took from my phone to now that the house is professionally staged. From the first showing to the open house, you want to invite that buyer over and have them have that wow factor once they step into your front door. Small things such as this chair makes a perfect centerpiece in the pictures, and also it visualizes the new owners with their stuff in your home when it comes to selling. So as you guys can see, this house is staged. Obviously I'm gonna have professional photography, but the main thing is I'm confident we're gonna have multiple offers on this house with the type of exposure I'm gonna put online. It's Anthony Renwitzky again. See you guys on the next video.